Today, I'm going to teach you how to find page settings in Elementor. This is really important because page settings control everything from your page's layout and SEO to custom CSS and visibility options, so knowing exactly where to locate them will save you time whenever you need to make adjustments to your pages. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply enter your credentials and make your way to the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look for the Pages menu on the left sidebar and hover over it. From the dropdown that appears, click on All Pages. This will show you a complete list of every page you've created on your WordPress site. Now scroll through your pages and locate the specific page where you want to access the page settings. It could be your home page, an about page, or any other page you're working on. Once you've found it, you'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that. This will launch the Elementor editor interface, which is where all the visual customization takes place. After clicking, you'll need to wait for the Elementor editor to fully load on the page. Depending on the size and complexity of your page, this might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to render everything properly. You'll know it's ready when you see the page preview in the center and the Elementor panel on the left side. Now here's where it gets interesting, and the location actually depends on which version of Elementor you're using. If you're using the free version of Elementor, look at the upper left corner of the screen. Right beside the plus icon, which is typically used to add new sections or widgets, you'll see a small hamburger menu icon or a settings gear. That's your page settings. Click on it and it will open up a panel where you can adjust all the page level options like layout, title visibility, custom CSS, and more. However, if you're using Elementor Pro, the location is slightly different. Instead of the upper left, you'll find the page settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. It's usually displayed as a gear icon or a settings button that stands out from the rest of the interface. Click on that and you'll access the same robust page settings panel, but with additional pro features like custom fonts, dynamic content, and advanced display conditions. And that's it. You've now located the page settings in Elementor, whether you're using the free or pro version. This small but powerful feature gives you complete control over how your page behaves and appears to visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.